She better not have me up. She better not. Come on, come through. I'm already not liking the color. Feliciayumm, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I know it has literally been sis. I want to shout out to all my new subscribers out there because I do get those notifications and I see people are clicking on that subscribe button and I truly appreciate it. I went to Target and I picked up some new cosmetics and most of them were L.A Girl. It is such a pretty palette. So yeah, I do want to also mention in this video I will be showing you how I put on a wig, but this will be my first time wearing a wig. Like yeah, I'm just gonna do the whole shebang for you guys, just the everyday look plus the wig installation, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are not subscribed, please go ahead and do so down below. Hope you guys enjoy. Have a wonderful day. Stay corona free. Be safe. Black Lives Matter. All that good. I think I'm gonna actually jump into my eyebrows first because I kind of switched up my eyebrow routine. I don't know if you guys have seen in my previous videos. I used to just like go all out on my eyebrows, but now I've been keeping it like a little bit more just clean and just like simple and just, you know, I haven't been doing too much. I am using my Benefit brow styler and this is so, oh my god, I love this because on one end you have the powder and then the other end you have the actual pencil, so you guys can see, you can get more precise strokes with that. I'm going to just keep it simple. I'm going to use the spoolie on my Goof Proof brow pencil. You guys seen this plenty of times on my channel. And I'm just going to like, you know, kind of fluff them, but like shape them up. So I'm going to use the powder end of the brow styler and I'm just going to fill in like the sparse areas. So I don't want to use too much product, but I'm going to get them a little bit more fluffy. I look wild right now with this do-rag on. Like, my husband last night was like, yo, you look like a rapper right now, because I had on my waist trainer and I had this on. So, like, my waist trainer looked like a bulletproof vest. I was looking crazy last night, but this is the process, and all girls out there, y'all already know what's up. The process is serious. And look, you guys already noticed, like, they're a lot more thicker, a lot more fuller. I didn't have to go in there with the pencil, and just the powder just really is light. It's gentle on your eyebrows. My concealer, which is my L.A Girl's Pro Concealer. You guys, this is a classic. Like, sorry, but this is definitely a classic concealer because yeah, this, for the price, very affordable. It's actually really good concealer, really good quality concealer. And I'm just gonna target the areas I feel that needs to be covered. But right now I'm gonna curl my eyelashes up because I do feel like some of them are a little bit crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and use my concealer and I'm gonna go under eye, which is always and will always be my troubling part of my face. I'm also going to kind of just like touch up on the places where I had the hyperpigmentation. Take my concealer brush, which I'm too ashamed to show you guys, but it is a Morphe brush, so it's a little dirty. I need to clean my brushes, but I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. See, it's light coverage. It's not too heavy on the face. Like, I feel like my skin can still breathe when I use this method. I can't say this tutorial is a full LA Girls tutorial because it's not. But I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Studio Water Weight SPF 30, which I always appreciate. More sunscreen. This is her. I'm literally dabbing in just like certain areas. And then we are going to, I'm gonna blend that in. Okay, so that's it for the foundation concealer part. Well, actually no, I'm gonna go back under my eyes with the lighter concealer, but that's it for the first layer. I'm gonna use my concealer stick, which is the Studio Fix Soft Matte NC50 MAC contour stick. So I'm gonna blend that out, and this is my Marc Jacobs brush. Y'all seen this before. So after blending out that contour, I'm going to go ahead and use my Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer for under my eyes. And this is by ColourPop. And I'm just going to place a little bit like in the T area, the T-zone, and under my eye. So I can get a little bit more lightness in that area. So I have two setting powders. You guys already know one is my baby, okay? I have my Laura Mercier, which is, you know what? I haven't seen a lot of people actually using this anymore. Like, what did we move on to? I haven't been up on game, so please let me know. What have we been moving on to? I do have the LA Girls Pro Powder High Definition Setting Powder. Brand new. And I'm debating if I should use it. I think I am. Just for shits and giggles, because look, I bought it. I might as well use it for you guys. She better not have me up. She better not. Come on, come through. I'm already not liking the color. I'm already not liking the color. I'm about to use her. I'm going in for the High Definition LA Girl Setting Powder. Let's see. Okay. Not too bad. It's definitely doing the job. Okay, it's actually not too bad at all. I actually don't see the difference. Smile lines and definitely the T-zone. I am going to blend this out more. Right now, at the beginning, I always like to kind of like pat it into the skin so to get saturated, and then I blend out. I went ahead and put the setting powder on. I'm going to blend that out. First I'm going to kind of let that bake a little bit, but I'm going to go into my bronze, and I'm using Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise. And my friend actually got this from BoxyCharm. So she got this from her BoxyCharm, and she is Mexican and none of these colors go for her. So I was like, yeah, go ahead and let me run that off of you real quick. So she went ahead and gave it to me, and I'm like, hey, I actually need a bronzer anyway, because the bronzer that I have been using by Kat Von D is running low. I'm going to use this color and kind of like bronze the top of my forehead. I'm using the LA Girl setting powder, so I'm just shaping under my cheekbones with this setting powder. Alright, so for eyes, while all this is baking, all this goodness is baking, I'm going to do something with the eyes, which, as I told y'all, when you have lashes, the eyes are kind of like a no-brainer. Like, you do nothing. I'm going to jump into my palette. So this is the LA Girl Pro Artistry eyeshadow palette, and this was actually really good pricing as well. LA Girl is known for being affordable. I think this color is what I'm going to kind of dive into. So I just went ahead and put a little bit of that in my crease just to give my eyes a little bit of definition. And I'm using a flat Morphe eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to use the same eyeshadow and place it on my lower lid. For blush, so I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm hoping not to get this on me, but this is Pool Party. We're also going to blend this out, and I'm going to go back into my bronzer palette, and I'm going to use this baby. And now I'm going to go in with my Better Than Sex mascara and kind of touch up the bottom lashes. Alright, for lips, I have the LA Girl Glossy Plumping Lip Gloss. This is the color. I'm going to use my NYX, and this is light brown. And that I'm going to give the bottom lip a little bit of pink just to kind of coincide with the cheekbone. And this is just a tint by ColourPop. And then I'm going to go over it with the lip plumper, which I really like this color. It's really pretty. It's not really a color, but it's got more of a shimmer kind of. Okay, so pretty much my makeup look is completed. Like, all right, we all bronzed up, we bronzed out, lashes popping, lip glossing, like. The wig that I will be putting on my head, let me take this out of the, all right, so this is the wig. It is by Freetress Equal, the Luxurious Integration Yoga Cap Lace Part Wig. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and this is no promo. Like, this is the hair waves on it, as you can see. All right, so I'm scared, guys. I'm so scared. Oof. I'm like nervous because honestly, I have a whole week to figure out if this wig shit is gonna work for me. All the people that I follow as far as like makeup and style and stuff like that and hair, they always make their wigs look so bomb, but I'm like, I don't know. All right, so I think it would be smart for me to just go ahead and cut this off. I do have a wig cap, so I'm gonna go get all that good stuff and I will be right back. I want to just make sure that it's, you know what I'm saying? Just want to make sure that you can actually, the curls are beautiful. Unfortunately, with synthetic hair, they don't last long like this. Like, it doesn't stay nice like this for too long. These are definitely one of those things that is just a quick look, you know, nothing too serious, and you don't ever plan on keeping a synthetic wig for more than a month. And that's if you wear it like once a week, because you know, the synthetic hair, it just doesn't last long, and it looks good temporarily, but you have to treat it as such temporarily. So I have the deluxe wig cap, and this is in color natural. This is what the girl suggested for me. I'm leaving the little bit of portion that I have left out in front because I do want to kind of blend that with my wig. All right, so here we go. Okay, so wow. Okay, so it's not too. All right, give me 1 second to adjust. We not, because it has combs in here, so I want to make sure that this thing is laying flat. Give me 1 second to really get this going before y'all start judging it. I want to make it as flat as possible. I'm going to comb it. My battery's about to die, so I kind of want to like complete the look for you guys. And I want to show you guys all angles. I don't just want to show you from the front because that's deceiving. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and blend this out, blend this piece that I left out. I don't have my, what am I trying to say? I don't have my flat iron right here in front of me, so I have to kind of move to the other part of my room to flat iron my hair, but I'm just parting this section, and then I'll be back to show you guys the whole entire completed shebang. Okay, shebang. So it took me a minute to kind of get this together, but I think I completed the look. I think the wig situation actually turned out pretty decent. I mean, you guys let me know what you guys think. This is she, so I don't know how many inches this is. It doesn't say on here how many inches. This is color 2 though. I want to guess this is about 22 inches long. You guys can see it's, well, I would say probably about 22, 24 inches long. But yeah, this is her. I actually am really enjoying this look. It's not a bad look at all. The only thing I would say is, like, yeah, wigs can get hot in my house right now. My house is probably about around 69, 68-ish, and I'm already like burning the hell up. But this is actually, so what I did was I left a little bit of my hair out, and I kind of like, you know, blended it in a little bit as much as I could. But yeah, like, I love, if this was a human wig, sis, I would be all up in arms, like, yes. But it's synthetic, so I have to be kind of careful how I move. But yeah, I feel like this could be a really nice look if you're trying to go out. But if you guys want to see more tutorials like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Comment below what you would like to see. I'm going to show you guys exactly how this looks standing up, from behind and all that. So come with me.